Hey guys and girls, this is Snowwie and welcome to part 10 of City Skylines here in Delta Disasters. So in the previous episode, what did we actually do? I know that I built the dike in part 8 and I think, I put the pumps in part 9 I guess. Well, in those episodes nothing happened, and so what I decided to do, I loaded up the city, hit the pause button, because I don't want any disasters coming through the city, and I added something to this city, because we had basically only one entrance road, which was over here. And what did I do? I created this timber exchange over here, as you can see. Now this thing has been fully customized. I even made these on and off ramps bigger, and just press play. If there's a disaster coming, it will be coming, and everything would be very smooth with this timber exchange. And previously there was a T-junction over here, so I created this highway that is going all the way to the other side of the map. Now you can also see how long these on and off ramps are, like that. And I let my creativity flow out a bit, because I took this road from here because I have a certain idea in this area, but I will not tell you yet. So I took this road, took it over here, took it over there, and I thought to myself, maybe I should connect that to this highway. So I created this own little fabrication of a intersection. What do you guys think? Isn't it quite lovely? I mean, it's not been heavily used just yet, but it is I don't know, it's just a self-made bunch of garbage, I suppose. I don't know, but anyway, this thing has been also lane mathematicized as much as possible. I mean, 2 lanes here in this part where they are coming onto it, and 4 lanes here in the middle where they are coming onto it from this side. So yeah, that works out pretty well, and not that many cars are taking this off ramp here, going to here to come out here, because probably there is not that much over here to go to. And I created this highway all the way next to this train track, all the way to the edge of the map here, all the way to over there, you see. Now we have an extra connection over here on this map, and we still are working with just one watery pump over here, which will do nice. Yeah. So, okay, what is the idea? I had 2 ideas in mind. I want to have a campus in the city, and I also want to have a harbor. And because we have this highway over here, I was thinking about, I want to place a harbor somewhere over here. But the question is a little bit how to connect it up, because that means again making something of a, I don't know, something difficult. Maybe because this is an extra area of land, maybe we can create that harbor over here. First of all, let me see what kind of harbor we can put here. Harbors. We can put a harbor over here. There's a shipping route over there. Okay, nice. Actually, this is not such a not such a bad spot, to put one. Yeah, so we can also retain this stuff. Yeah, I think that's not bad. I think the only thing that I want to do is to level out this terrain a little bit, otherwise it's so crazy. It's just make it a little bit flat, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Also going towards that road makes it a little bit more easier. because we don't have any passenger harbors in this entire city. So I thought, like, yeah, why not, you know? And we also need a campus. Okay. Yeah, so we have like a straight road over here. Yeah, nice. Okay, now let's take the harbor and we just plunk it down over there. Great. First of all, we turn it off because otherwise it costs money. We don't have money. And the only connection way I can think of, like connecting this up, is, you know, through a roundabout. Oh, there's like a... Okay, I see this. What is the best way of doing this? I'm thinking, you know what? Yeah, good question. I think that I can work this out with a, let me see, a regular highway road, sorry. Take the corner. I need this and turn off the toggle node snapping. I think that should work. Now let me see, where is that harbor? It's over there. So it will go from there to there to there to there. Make it back, coming back. Let's bend it toward this area because we have this lake over here. So we need this spot over here. Okay, now let's make it 10 by 10. 90 degrees. Okay. Do another 10 by 10. And then again a 90 degrees, that's this, yes. Okay, another 10 by 10, and that is like 90 degrees, but I am noticing that this is off the ground. We can always mess with the height later. Okay, put this like here, okay. And this one goes to, now I turn the snap tool on, like that. Whoa, that's a very nifty looking, wow, really, I'm impressed. Okay, let's remove those trees. Always those annoying. Now, that is like a classy, world-class roundabout. Okay, let's fix that thing. Use the move it mod and say like you and you and you and you and you and you. And we say like align tools to object height and this side. Isn't that much better? Yeah, great, isn't it? Great. So, okay. I want to make this one way, this one. So let's unhook this road like that. And we are taking the 2-lane one-way road and we are plonking it down here that way. And let's take the better option. Yeah. So we have 2 lanes coming in. We have 2 lanes coming out. Okay. So that's not that difficult. The only way we have to do is like create a bend over here. Let's take this option. 10 units by. That's too far. Okay, that's too far. Let's make it 6 by 6 and 6 by another 6. Great. Now we need to make it straight towards this roundabout. Now let me have a look at this roundabout. There's a node here. Yes, which I'm going to use with a 4-lane road, which will be this road. This and then this. And I think... Yeah, it's already, because there is like a cliff over here, so this roundabout is partially hanging over a cliff, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah, so we have to bring this together. Now that is going to be interesting. No problem. Totally no problem. So we take, let me see. This is, well, no problem, I say. Let's make it like this. This is temporary, so Let's make it like this. Yeah. And also on this side, let me see, what is the distance here? I think this is roughly the same. Yep. Okay, let's turn that around, flip around, and we bulldoze this away, we bulldoze that away, this away, and this away, and that away. Yay! Okay, and now we are getting this stuff together like this and like that. Hey ho, hey ho! Use the move it mod to bring that stuff together, although, nope, this one has to also be a little bit more bendy. But that's okay. It's okay. No, that's not perfect straight, but we will make it perfect straight. Thank you. Yep, you go on, you go on. And here we go. Now, nice. Now we have to bring this stuff together. It's just a matter of taking this road and take this and this. And just, yeah, sort of bend it toward that location, you know, in a fashionable way, like this, and then like this. Why does this happen? I hate that so much, you know. Yeah, like that. Okay, so let's do it to this road also. Now let's eyeball this a little bit. And again, another piece of, okay. Let's turn this one on, yes, and let's put in some parking lots. You go away. Parking lots, because there are always people. I'm going to put it actually here, I think, you know. Here, yeah, not on the other side, because then people have to cross the street. I don't like that. In there, yeah. Now let's remove also those freaking trees, because you know the tree anarchy stuff is like sometimes so annoying. Okay, this thing is now on, but people can still not get onto the highway. Now let's see what we can do about that. Now give me some time for this, and I'll be right back with you guys. Well, that did go much faster than I anticipated, and let me have a look. What is this? This is not looking that great, so let's take the... why am I underground? Let's go... What is wrong with this thing? Why am I in underground mode? Is it because of this? Oh, okay, never mind. Now let's take this option, take this option, take this option, turn that up like that. And also change this one into heightened sort of, yeah, heightened off ramps, on ramps and off ramps, whatever. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Besides, those kind of off ramps you can always slope nicely as well. Look, you can already see, you know, there's a lot of sloping stuff involved here, so yeah, that makes kind of sense. Okay, let's do this roundabout. First of all, we are giving it some dedicated priorities like that, and also dedicated lane turns, like let's hold the control key, and yeah, that's it. So junction restrictions, like you may pick your lane, but you may not carry on. Here you pick your lane wherever you want. Here you have to stop, pick your lane. These one may pick their lanes. These one pick their lanes, and yeah, that's basically it. And we turn the roundabout down to 60 kilometers per hour, like that. here, and on this side it's the other way around, because you are driving straight onto the highway here. You may, like, you know, step on it, because, you know, they are going all the way into the whatever. And here it's like slow down a little bit to 40. Yeah, here they may drive pretty yeah, on, and on this one it's the same thing, just 40, 40 and a 60. Yeah, that will do. I think definitely that will do. Let's see, can we do something about height differences? Like, I mean, I see this bulge over here, and, you know, frankly, I don't like it. So let's see what we can do about that. Select this option, this option, this option, and that option. And slope terrain. Yeah, not bad. We can fix the terrain itself also with this option. You see that? Now we have like a nice slopey terrain. Yeah, this is kind of weird. I think these are two different kind of highway segments, I think. Let me have a look. Let me take this one and this one. Is that the same? No. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So what is this one? Is there another one? No. Or another one back. 2-laner with ramps. I don't have that. Oh, wait a second. Maybe this one and then heightened? No, also not. Oh, this is very strange, if you ask me, but okay, never mind. Let's put some connectors over here, and you go there, etc. We know the story about the Yugos. You go there, you go there, pick your lane far in front of. When you want to turn off here, here you can figure it out yourself, although don't change lane in front of the roundabout. Let's use the node controller here in the unified UI node controller on this, and make it an offset of like 20. Nah, that's a little bit too less. 30. Yeah, that seems more likable. You see that yeah, well, we can also play around a little bit with this thing. I mean, I do not often show it, you know, how this thing works. So let's connect this to there and say like this will be a solid, because it's like a solid thing. We also see that it's not matching. So you take the point and you hold the control button and you match it up with the line. You see? Just like that. And here also matching it up like that. Perfect. Next line will go from there to there, which is like a dotted line. It's fine. This one also. Yeah. Now we have like this one, which will go to the right. Whoa. Give me back that. This one will go to there as being a solid line. Yeah. And then from here it will go to there. And then if they go from, let's say, between here and here, they can just choose from, well, whatever lane they want to go. From this side, it's a little bit different. We take this one and we connect that to there, and we make it a solid line. And then this one has to be connected to actually that one. Now, in theory, these guys can take also the third lane, but I can use the lane connectors to avoid that. Now, I don't know, does it appear appealing if I connect this to there? Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, so we go to traffic manager, we take the lane connectors and we say like, you will go to that one and you will go to that one. Now that also means like, well, they can still Yeah, they can still lane switch over here, so they can pick their lanes where they want to go, so I don't foresee any problems in that. Now another thing that we want to do is like fill up this area in between. So how we do that, we go to fillers and then we press the Alt button. You see those symbols are now changing in red dots. Okay, now you connect this one, you release the Alt button and you connect these with each other like that and like that. Okay, and I want to make a solid, yeah, and the color will be like something greenish because I already used some green, and that would be kind of it. And now I'm looking at this, I think like that these dotted lines should be actually be solid lines. So I'm going back to lines and I'm looking like tick 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 tick. Yeah, this is one of them. So I say like a solid here. And this is one of them, so we make that solid as well. And now we need to find this one. Oh, wait. Yeah, here we got it. And we also make it solid as well. Yeah, not bad. Let's remove that crosswalk over there. That one can that can go as well. And here I don't want to see those things either. And hey, we have some traffic coming in from peeps. Ooh, nice. And oh, they need something for the traffic. Traffic. I mean the trash. Traffic and trash. Yeah, okay. It's not that far apart. Let's also put some policing stuff around here because this is pretty far away from the area. No, this is a fire station, by the way, and a police station. We put that over here. Now they can just go around and they can take the roundabout to go just around like that. So that would work fine. I have played with disasters on. As you can see, use dynamic weather, use random disasters. So far no disasters yet. Let me see the speed. I know the speed on these roads are not that high, so they can be increased. Let's say 80. And yeah, 50 over here. Yeah, that's okay. And you can drive 80 over there, 80. And then 60 here, because that's like the 60, 60, 60 and 60. Yes, and we will also do the, come on, you go aside, parking restrictions. They park here, yeah. So nice, we have our first actual, yeah, not bad. Okay, so I am now 24 minutes into the game and I want to also make a campus. I want to do it over here. And I also have an idea over here as well. And you know, this roundabout, you know, this with this exit, it's very tempting to connect this up somehow to this area. Now I'm looking here and let me have a quick look. I'm seeing this roundabout over here. There's a roundabout also over here. Oh yeah, this is pretty nearly in line, you know, if you ask me. I think we should just do it, why not? But for this one, we take the 4-lane, the small 4-lane road, this one, this one, this one. And we go there, and there, underneath the train track. And it's like made for it, you know? It's interesting. Okay, let's take this down, 12. Let's see. Okay, it needs to be a bend already or not? Let me see. Okay. So this is like 7 and 8. So let's put this down just a little bit like that. Okay, I see. Let's see. Now let's make this road coming in to there like that. I think that we can just hook this on. If I turn off the snap tool, you know, that annoying snap tool by times, we take this down to even, let's say 5, and then from here, so a little bit of eyeballing, but hey ho, hey ho. Yeah, sort of works. Let's put this down a little bit. You know what? I think it's not bad. Let's take the node controller again and say also here like 20. Yeah, for a little bit more space. Now, yeah, not bad. Okay, also here we will do not that thing. We will do this thing, you and you and you. And then, come on, and you have priority and you have to stop. Thank you. And also don't drive too fast upon the roundabout, not necessary. 60 is allowed there. Oh, and also do some, yeah, lane, how do you call this? Dedicated lane turns. That is what I wanted to say. You know what, I'm going to spend the remaining time to do the intersection marking tool over here. Probably you guys like that a lot, so why not? So let's do this. And everything is as it should be. Okay, you know, even this thing is for me still a learning curve, but yeah, it's like I still like this thing, you know. It's like and I think we are missing a dotted line over here. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. I think how are we doing this? Because, yeah, this is the line. Add rule from here to there. That's better. Yeah, okay, not bad. Save game. Delta disasters, and today we don't have any disasters at all so far. I'm happy. Oh, look, a lot of cars are driving over this this road. Oh, let me do something about this roundabout. First of all, let me make this roundabout bigger. Now, we do that as follows. We take this node, I take it and I do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I do the same with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's not forget this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the roundabout is bigger. And we can also adjust this roundabout to our liking. So you, and you. This is already set. This is already set. And we make dedicated turning lanes. Yep. And also give way signs like that. So how about speed? 50, which is okay. Let's turn this into 40, 40, 60, 60 over there. And I think, yeah, that's not bad. Now, yeah, maybe the next episode, because this is like we have like a farm and we have like oil, and we have now this road here, and we also have like the train. Maybe we can get this road and the train come together here into a cargo harbor. That would be nice. My god, I have like a zillion plans, but to record them and and show them to you guys, like, oh, it's a never-ending story. I see no dedicated turning lanes over here. Yep, you, and you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, even more of those guys. Okay. And here. And here. And probably even here as well. Keeps you busy. And even here. Well, like that, okay. Yeah. So, what we will do in episode 11 is like waiting for that freaking tsunami to come. When I started this game, I had like 50 million tsunamis. Now I finally have like a wall over here, I say to the ocean, like to the natural disasters, like, screw you! Come over here, try me out, And now they are staying away. It's like, hideous. But before I have two ideas. Yeah. So for the next episode. And let me save the game first. Save game, Delta Disaster, save if I've not done it yet. I want to make a campus over here. Why? Just because. We have like all kinds of roundabouts. So first of all, I'm going to create that campus area. That will be this paint campus area. And that will be all the way this. And maybe we'll combine it with a park that goes all the way around it. Maybe a zoo, I'm not sure. It depends a little bit on how much space this campus actually requires. So this is what I'm doing now, is like an educated guess about the space that I think that this campus needs. And around it we can create like a nice big park. Maybe with some other elements, I'm not sure. Okay, now on this side here, that's another kind of idea that I have. Now this is like all like this area, this cozy square has like the policy, no, not the policy, teams. No, wait a second. Just a second. I put like the how do you call that? Commercial section, and then the holiday tourism special. Yeah, this one with the umbrella. You can see it over here. So this is like a touristy place with this stuff and all. And we'll have like the FedEx Forum. And I was thinking about applying also the space elevator. And do also, the little money thing, by letting these people traveling through a park to get here. And I know there are like this is a metro system, so that's nice. We can also apply a metro. Yeah, this is a metro. We can even put this metro. Yeah, we can even put this metro somewhere else as well. Oh yeah, that's something also that I said in the last episode, that I wanted to create another metro system. Oh my god, I have like lack of time. Guys, oh, help. Well, still we can create like a metro line over here to create the a connection path for the people to go into this touristy area, but also for them to go to other places in the city as well over here. And of course taking these guys through a park. What can go wrong? Well, first of all, a park. Okay, you know what? We are taking just the two-way highway. No, we are just taking the national road. And I'm taking it from here. Take this one. Yeah, this option. And we go from here to all the way to here. And then we go to here. Because I think that is something for the next episode. It's like the space elevator. This thing can be fit around here. Yeah, it will fit if I just put a normal road to it. Thank you. Very smart of myself. Thank you. Good job, Snowy. Just put a normal road to it, like that. And then take the space elevator and put it here. You know what? I put it here and then I turn it off. So now the idea is very simple. This road over here will be cut off from cars to travel. So we put vehicle restrictions on here and say like no cars allowed. No cars allowed. Also here, no cars allowed. And also this little piece, no cars allowed. And the extra pieces, by the way, they are meant to be like if it would be one stretch of road, then these guys would ignore actually this, this forbidden option. A sinkhole is going to happen. Okay. At the end of this episode, we are going to get a sinkhole. I want to do this stuff first. Wait a second with that single. Come on. Cut it out. So, no cars. No cars. No cars. And here also no cars. And the sinkhole is happening over on a place where it does not do any harm. So where was I? Here. I was over here at this thing. Now, the idea is also pretty simple. We create like a park. How much time do we actually have? We have a few minutes left, so I can do some pre-work. Create a park area. Paint park area. So the park will be running all the way from here, to there, to there, to there, to there. I think that's a very nifty park. Yeah. And also about the metro. I want to do something, with this metro system. How can we make that sure that they will go here, but also go there? I think I have an idea about that. Let's say we did use these, right? Yes. But these are also required at the entrance of the park, but that's no problem. They can be, the entrance of the park can also be here, but I put the metro over here. Yeah, this metro. Now this metro can go alongside maybe here or here. That's a little bit of figuring out what would be the best thing to do. Yeah, it's difficult, pretty difficult. There is space around here, but I do not like to put such a thing there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bulldoze this thing away. They don't like it, I know for sure. Then I take this road and I put it like there. Yeah, and then over there. And now we have also like this little parking lot of like 4x4, which is this one. We put that there. Great. Take this option. Parking lot, parking lot, parking lot. And now we have room here to put like that metro station. This one, you see? Isn't that great? So now we can say like, okay, we can make this whole area make this whole area covered by this metro system. So judging by the amount of time I have, I think, okay, so this is like, yeah, this is interesting. We put this over here and we can make a pathway that goes straight into that shopping area. Then it will go down and will be very close to this one. Clink, you see that? So it will connect there also. Then I will make like, well, I would love to make a connection here, but I think it's pretty difficult. Maybe on the other side, if these people can walk from one end to the other end, I don't know. But it's something I can figure out. Just something I can try. What do we have more? Yeah, we have this whole area over here. Okay. So we have like all these underground things also here, which makes it a little bit difficult. But we will manage. So let's squeeze in one here. And let me have a look. We have something over there. This will go around, but also here stuff will be built. So let's put a metro here in as well. And let me have a look. We put like a metro also here. Ooh, no, bad idea. Too close to this underground thing. Let me have a look. Yeah, let's put it right over there. And from there on it will make a U-turn going straight towards this area. So we make like a, this is slope to steep. Okay, we put this one over there. And we put one in the slope to steep also. Okay, we put one over there. And then we put like one over there. And I think probably, yeah, over here. And I think that's it. And maybe, it maybe sounds very crazy, but at this harbor, oh man, that would be completely hideous. Do I have still time to make like this line? Well, maybe we should just make the time. Okay, so this episode takes a little bit longer than expected, so who cares? Nobody. Let's turn off the snap tool. But to be honest, I don't like, working on a time. It's like ugh. Take this and then make a nice curve that just goes there, and this thing has to be connected to there. And what is this? Is this disconnected? Wait a second, what is this? Is this a train line? Really? Is this? Yeah, that's my train line, and it's disconnected somehow. What? Maybe during that earthquake last time, it's possible. Okay, now let's take this option and let's bring it down. Like, I don't know, 28 meters should be enough to get underneath this. Yeah, like that. And from here we can take a wide angle. And also go up. And connect. Yeah, we have a connection, ladies and gentlemen. It's fantastic. Now let's create a freaking line, if it's possible. Click, 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 click. Well, at least these persons, taking this metro, they can go everywhere, they can step over to the other metro. They can go to the space elevator, like that. So actually, by putting a metro at that location, I am actually doing myself not a favor, because that metro should be on the other side of the park. Because there they would exit the park, and then I need to have them in the metro. Oops. Okay, that is something I will figure out. Let's connect it. Add stop. Then add stop. Did I add a stop there? Yeah. Okay, let's put this one also over here. Let's put this over here. This over there. This over there. And connect it up over there. Yeah, this is like the wrong spot, I had to put that station over here. Let's pause the game for a moment and let's redo this station. Oh, there's also such kind of road. Okay. Actually we can use this this station as well. Oh no, it's like the same station. Wait a second, then we don't even require this station if I'm looking at this, because they can just hop into this station. Yeah, I'm not thought of that. Delete, and then just reconnect these two up. Come on, yep. Here we go. Here we go. So you go away. Okay, now let's take the green line, which is this, and let's give it another color, like blazing red, like that. Now there's a tornado coming. Why now? Why now? Well, we leave that tornado for the next episode, because I'm saving the game now. Save game, yes. And I say to you guys, thank you for watching for this episode number 10. Pause the game now, and I get out of here like that for a nice screenshot. And I really hope to see you back in part 11. Oh, let's make a screenshot from here, like, my own designed intersection, which is looking lovely. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in part 11. See you. Bye bye.